Hello. Today is October 20, Sunday, 3:10 3:10 a.m. I was still awake. I'm still awake. Nagbabantay ng may sakit kasi baka uminit ng bongga. So, mahirap na magtiwala. I was watching Netflix para magising-gising naman. We're in isolation room. This is the isolation room. Ikot ko kayo. Yan yung aking baby girl. Ayan siya. Ayan yung guys. So, what else? Yun yung magulo kong table. Yan. Diyan ako nag-work most of the time. And then, this one naman, dito nag-work yung nurse most of the time. Nandiyan lahat ng medicine, tubig, like that. What else? Ito yung machine niyang maingay. Hater ako ng machine na yun. Maingay kasi yan eh. What else? Yun lang. Ay, ano bang sakit ni Mati? Ano sakit ng baby? Dengue fever. Then, sinuwerte siya nasabayan ng COVID. So, dengue and COVID. Ano yung gamot niya? Ano yung treatment niya? Well, supportive treatment lang. Walang other medicine aside from supportive treatment, which is vitamins and paracetamol and Resiflora and this one. Itong IV fluid. Yes. She's been on IV fluid since Friday ng 4 a.m. Friday 4 a.m. hanggang ngayon. Yun yung IV fluid niya. Until ma-discharge kami. So, I was hoping na ma-discharge kami na maaga. So, what else? Yun lang, inaantay ko lang kung pupunta yung nurse or baka uminit si Madi, ako na magbibigay ng paracetamol niya. Kasi supposedly 2 a.m. magte-take na siya ulit ng paracetamol. Kaya lang, ang batang tulog, hindi pwedeng gisingin para bigyan ng gamot. Not unless sobrang init. So, yun. Bye-bye.